Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips, and in this video we're going to talk about how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 dev error and how we can fix this up. So let's move to the workarounds. So if you're for the first time to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. So let's move to the workaround. So first one, when you're having this ABL which is called dev error 6036, what you have to do is, the first step is you just have to run the game as an administrator. That is what you have to do. So right now you're on the Steam, and if you don't know how to run it as an administrator, you just have to do is just have to go over here and select the game, right click and go to properties. Now from here just go to local files and go to browse. If you go to the browse, what happens is this will take you to the folder where the game is installed. As you can see, the game is installed on this PC, local disk C, program files 86, Steam app, common, Call of Duty HQ. Now if you scroll down a little bit, you will be able to see that Call of Duty over here, that means the Call of Duty.exe file. So that is this one. So what you have to do is just have to select it, right click and go to show more options. Now go to properties. Now from here you just have to go to compatibility. Now from here, you just have to check run this program as an administrator. So you have to check it. In most cases, this will be unticked. So you have to check it. Once it is done, just go for apply, just go for OK. And most probably, you just have to see, most probably the game will be working fine. So this is the first step. Moving to the next one is all about you have to update the drivers. We can update the drivers in two ways. The first one, simple method, which is called updating the driver from here itself in the computer. That is called just making sure it is on the latest version. That is called updating the drivers using device manager. To navigate to device manager, just go over here, right click and go at the top device manager. Just from here, just go over here, select display adapters, expand this. Over here, as you can see, I'm on the NVIDIA GeForce GTX. Just right click and go for update driver. Go for search automatically for drivers. Then just close this and you're on the latest version of driver. So this is, make sure this is on, it is done. Even though if it's not done, you can manually do this. For that you just have to go over here and you just have to search NVIDIA. So what happens is, will take you to the official page of NVIDIA. Now from here you can update it. So I'll be providing a link which will be directly take you to the NVIDIA. From there you can update it manually. So I'll be providing that link, so you don't have to worry on that. You just have to give the respective features. I mean, you have to give all the kind like your system name, Windows, OS and all those things. And you just have to do like this. So, okay. So like this, when you search for this, you'll be getting this. Right now, as you can see, you can update the drivers from here. So just have to give here on the product type if it's GeForce, go for RTX series, Windows operating system, so mine is Windows 11, just go for Windows 11, then give all these things and go for search. So what happens is you'll be getting details like this. So this is 526.47 is right now available, which is around 812 MB. So this is latest one, that is 2710, just latest one. So just download it and you have to install this .exe. Then once you're successfully done installing the .exe, most probably you just have to close this and go back to the Steam and try to launch the game and you'll be working good. Even after updating the driver, you're having an issue. The next is all about you have to update the game. So right now it is up to date. So even in some cases you'll be getting an update, you can update it, or else without having an issue, you can set this to in update mode, that it can be done from here itself. So you just have to go to the library, right click and go to properties, click on update. So over here, as you can see, we are having an option to automatic updates. So here there are three options. Always keep this game updated, only update this game when I launch it, high priority, always auto update this game before others. So here always keep this game updated, so that whenever you're working on your PC on something else, if any updates are there, this will get updated. So you need the internet connection. But simultaneously, if you get this always auto update, in the sense even if small updates are there, it will keep on updating, so that it will be affecting your internet speed. So I suggest you can go for always keep this updated. So whenever there is an update, you will be getting an option update here, just update it. That is what you have to do. Moving to the next one is all about you have to verify integrity of game files. That is very important, and this step is very important because many of the users think this is actually not so important and they neglect it. But verify integrity of game files is actually repairing the corrupted game files on your computer. So as you can see the Call of Duty over here, so if any files are corrupted or any files are missing, you will be having trouble when you're trying to launch the game. So we have to fix it. For that, you just have to select the game like this, right click and go to properties, just go to local files. Now there is an option called verify integrity of game file, so you just have to click on this one. So you just have to go for yes. So what happens is this will take a little bit of time. It depends on your Wi-Fi speed, but even though this is actually working a lot, when you completely done with 100%, you are up to date, as well as if any files are completely missed, or if any files are completely corrupted on a PC, those things will be completely fixed and you're really good to go and you will not be having any trouble hereafter. So this is actually one of the greatest fix, and I really recommend you have to go for verify integrity of game files. So you just have to wait for 100%. So I'll skip this. The next one is all about you have to do is you just have to disable Steam overlay. So disabling the Steam overlay is quite important as well. So you can do this from the Steam itself. So you just have to go over here in the Call of Duty Modern Warfare, right click and go to properties. Now from here, as you can see, under the general, enable the Steam overlay. This has been ticked. So what you have to do is you just have to uncheck it. Once you're done with the uncheck, then you just have to close this and you just have to try to launch the game and might be working. So these are the possible workarounds which you have to try out when it comes to how to fix Modern Warfare 2 dev error 6036. And this is quite very important, and also by trying all these things this will be completely fixed. And also I'll be providing link in the description where you can read many more articles on our website Get Droid Tips on Call of Duty. So you can search here. As you can see, this is our website Get Droid Tips. We have updated many articles on Call of Duty. We can watch this, and also parallel you can refer our website on Android. We can refer on many things on Android games, especially like I said before, iPhones and iPad, any troubleshooting guide related to iPhones and iPad, social media, Windows, etc. So here we have already updated many articles on this one, Call of Duty. So you can watch all these kind of, or you can read all these kind of articles. So I'll be providing link in the description. If you wanted to, you can read it from there. So that's what it's all about it. So, and if I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.